Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, unahin na natin ang ating eyebrows. We'll use this number 2 eyebrows. Super liit lang. So cute. Unahin natin to. Then, let's put the powder to set up your eyebrows. Okay. Then, let's put the concealer around the corner. Okay, done with our eyebrows. Next, use our Choco dark eyeshadow. Okay, let's just put it here. Blend it. Circular motion. Next, the other side. And then next, let's use this glittery here. It's kind of pinkish. Let's use the flat brush for that. Let's put it here. And then blend it here. Now I want to put dark eyeshadow here in the corner and blend it with this small brush. Okay, with same eyeshadow, let's put here down. I'm using this black. Okay, then also I wanted to make more darker here, so let's try to use this black to spread it here. Yes, perfect. This is what I want. Let's put black liner. Let's put now our concealer. Let's use this sponge. Just tap, tap, tap. Now let's use our foundation. Okay, then let's put highlighter. Now let's put contour. Let's use this. And we'll put nose contour. Okay, for our last lipstick. Let's put our mascara, but first we need to curl our eyelashes. Okay, look, so I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hit the bell for new... Please hit the notification bell for the new updates. Yes, this is our final look for today's video, guys, using this palette, and it's really nice. I hope you like it. This is Latte makeup. Super like it. You can wear this for any occasion like birthdays, binyag, kasalan, or breakup. Guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for the new updates, for the new videos uploads, and also please leave a comment below if you like it and share to your friends. See you on our next vlog. Bye. Mwah.